So I want to talk a little bit about what it takes to do an epoxy coating on a floor. Here's a floor that we're going to do an epoxy flake system on, and the first part of that is prep. And as you can see, I mean, this is a tightly troweled floor, potentially has a sealer on it, and for epoxy to grab properly, you want to profile the floor. And so we use grinders like that one hooked to vacuums to come and profile the floor. As you can see, we've started to grind, and there's still some areas that, you know, need ground a little bit more. So you can see, here's what the profiling does. Great example right here. You can see on the right is where we haven't ground, on the left is where we've ground. And at the end of the day, you want to create a profile on the floor, you know, about like that. That allows the epoxy to go in there and lock into the floor. A lot of people just, they clean a floor and then they put it on a tight troweled floor like that. And then if you put it on a tightly troweled floor, you're gonna risk the epoxy coming up on you. So prep is the main thing. And so you're gonna prep with diamond tools on a big machine and a grinder like you've seen over there. And then we go around and hand edge around the things that the grinder can't get next to. And it's basically just using a turbo cup wheel on a 4-inch grinder with a dust shroud on it. And you're going along and hand grinding, and see, you can hook that to your vacuum right there. And then you use this turbo wheel with your diamonds, you know, to go prep along edges and along walls and whatnot. But that's prep for the epoxy, and then the next video will be applying the base coat and broadcasting the flake.